Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist, administrator, and severe weather manager, and NC Storm Squad forecaster here. Taking a look at Invest 93. Now, this is a very interesting. They have not flown an aircraft into this, or at least made this a tropical depression. This is the center of circulation right around here of the surface low. Okay, surface low. Winds are around it. And there's a lot of thunderstorm development right around the center of circulation. In my opinion, this should be a subtropical system at this point, at least, or a tropical storm. The low pressure is located here, around the center of circulation. A lot of thunderstorm development around the center of circulation. Center is located here. It's not located anywhere that it's exposed. It's moving southwest too, but this is going to change because the patterns can actually bring it back north and then west. It's a big mess. South Carolina, we're talking about Myrtle Beach, we're talking about Holden Beach, all the way up through the area of the Outer Banks, Virginia Beach, Norfolk. We could be looking at a tropical system that could possibly make landfall if it becomes tropical, if the National Hurricane Center issues this as a tropical system. Even if it doesn't, we're looking at winds that are going to exceed tropical storm force. So, if you're along the coastline, anywhere from South Carolina up through Virginia, please take your precautions at this time. Time period. We're looking at rain and wind starting anytime now, probably within the next 6 to 12 hours, and lasting straight through Tuesday, possibly, because this thing is going to be around for a while. Ocean water temperatures in the 70s, going towards 80. If it's a subtropical system, it can survive without the 80-degree waters. You don't need 80-degree waters, obviously, in this environment to get something going on. You can see this is clearly a healthy-looking system. If we zoom out here, we're going to see that there's a upper-level system, okay, further north. But this looks very healthy. It has outflow. It's getting well organized around the center of circulation, and the upper level, when you see the visible pool up here, is up here off the coast of New Jersey and Delaware. So that being said, this is a low pressure system. I do not know why the National Hurricane Center has not issued something on it yet. Be advised, if this becomes a tropical or subtropical storm, I'm sure there's going to be warnings, subtropical storm warnings, all the way from Virginia down through South Carolina. Be advised of that. All right. So let's take a look at what the models are saying. Here's current placement, like I said, right around the center of circulation. Pretty quick and easy. This, within 48 hours, has a 15 miles an hour, which is tropical storm force. Some says southwest and turns out to sea. A lot of these models bring it on shore in North Carolina. So, the Outer Banks, Holden Beach, to the Outer Banks, to Virginia Beach, area to look out for. As it says here, we're looking tropical storm force straight through 120 hours. So, that being said, get preparations done now along the coastline. Miles are expecting extreme spike up to 55 miles an hour with a storm within 100 and back to tropical storm force within 120 hours. This is going to be around for a while, ladies and gentlemen. So, that being said, if you're living in North Carolina, be careful of what's going on. Here's the radar picture, and this is what also irks me. You got the banding going on, and you can see a center of circulation developed right here with the precipitation going around the center of circulation. This is right now moving back towards Hilton Head Island and Charleston, but this will, like I said, most likely jerk back to the northeast. Wilmington, Holden Beach, up to the Outer Banks. Be cautious of this. Rain will move on the coastline within the next 12 hours, guaranteed. There may be thunderstorms along the coastline. We have to watch out for the isolated possibility of tornadoes with changing the wind height, especially if this makes landfall as a tropical system. It has its own low-level shear. And then you bump up against the Blue Ridge Mountains, you're looking at shear with winds in different directions and height. We understand how it all works for severe weather. So that being said, if you are along the Carolina coast or Virginia coast, be wary of the system over the next 48 hours. An update as it becomes available. And if there's tropical storm information that it becomes a tropical storm, we will let you know immediately on liveweatherblogs.com and NC Storm Squad. For liveweatherblogs.com and NC Storm Squad, meteorologist Dean Davison, have a great afternoon. Be preparing on the Carolinas.